Good afternoon, class 6. Let's start. So, we move to sum number 26. The ratio between speeds of two trains is 4:3. If the second train runs 72 kilometer in 4 hours, then find the distance traveled by first train in 3 hours. So this is my question. Okay, so what's given once, let's check. There's a ratio of speeds between the two trains. It is 4:3, right? So it is given if the second train runs 72 kilometer in 4 hours, then we have to find the distance traveled by the first train in 3 hours. Okay, so first of all, we'll find out the speed of the second train. Second train, it is given in 4 hours it can cover 72 kilometers. 4 hours it covers 72 kilometers. That means in 1 hour it covers how much? 1 hour, it's 72 by 4, that is unitary method. So 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. So 82 kilometers per hour, right? It is the speed of my second train. Now the ratio of the speeds of the train are given as 4:3. So 4 is basically for the first train and 3 is for the second train. So first train speed is not given, so we'll consider that as x. X is to 18, which is the speed of the second train that we have calculated over here. So 4 by 3 equals to x by 18, or your x into 3 equals to 18 into 4, or x equals to 18 into 4 by 3. So 3 6s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. So this is the speed. This is the speed of the first train. Now it is told that we have to find out the distance traveled by the first train in 3 hours. The time is given and speed we have calculated. We have to find out the distance. We know speed equals to distance by time. So distance equals to speed, we know it is 24 and time is 3 hours. So 24 into 3 is 72. So 72 kilometer will be the distance covered by the first train. Okay. Next sum is sum number 27. Out of 135 students, ratio of boys to girls is given as how much? Is 4:5. If 15 more boys get admitted, what is the ratio? So initially what is given? Initially we have total 135 students. Then the ratio is how much? The boy to girl ratio is 4:5. So we take the your common unit as x. Okay. So my boys number will be your equals to 4x and girls number equals to 5x. If I consider x be my common unit. So we have the total students as 135. This is the initial one. So 4x plus 5x. 4x plus 5x equals to 135. Or I can write 9x equals to 135. X equals to 135. 135 by 9. So 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. And 3 15s are 45. So x equals to 15. Now we'll find out the number of boys and girls. X equals to 15 means boys will be equal to how much? Boys will be equals to 4 into 15, that is 60. And girls will be 5 into 15, that is 75. 75 here and here 60. After that what happened? 15 more boys get admitted in the school. 15 more boys added. Girls number remains same. So 60 plus 15 we get boys number as 75. Now see, after addition of 15 boys, my number of boys increases to 75. Girls number remains as 75. So what will be the ratio of girl to boy? This is the new ratio. 75 is to 75 means it will be 1 is to 1. This is my new ratio after addition of 15 more boys. Next sum is sum number 28. In a library, there are 1500 books. 1500 books. Ratio of science to commerce books. Ratio of science to commerce books is 1 is to 2. Then find the number of science books to be purchased so the ratio changes to 3 is to 5. This is my question. Now here I have total 1500 books. Now out of the total 1500 books, my ratio of science and commerce book is your 1 is to 2. Right? So first of all we'll take the common unit as x. So I can write the science book is your 1x and commerce book is your 2x. So I can write 2x plus x is equals to 1500, which is the total number of books in the library. So 3x will be equals to 1500, or x will be equals to 1500 by 3, that is your 500. That means the number of your science book is 500 and commerce book, commerce is how much? 2x, that means 2 into 500, so 1000. Now what it is said in the question that we have to find the number of science book to be purchased so that the ratio changes to 3 is to 5. The new ratio is given and it is said that the number of science book to be purchased. That means the commerce books remains same. To find out the science book that will be purchased. So I can write 500. This was the initial number of the science book. The science book to be purchased means 500 plus y, a factor, divided by number of commerce books, that is 1000. And now the ratio changes, 3 is to 5 or 3 by 5. I'll do the cross multiplication. 500 into 5 is 2500 plus 5 by equals to 3 into 1000 or 3000. So if I shift 2500 to the right hand side, it will its sign will change. That is 300 minus 2500. What do we get? Sorry, it is not 300, it is 3000. Okay, 2500 plus 5 by equals to 3000, or 5 by equals to 3000 minus 2500. So I can write 5 by equals to how much? 500, or y equals to 100. So this is the number of the science book that will be purchased in the library. Okay, so that's it, class 6. Thank you.